Look at these fun Oddbods we have with all of this Play-Doh. We have Play-Doh that's the same color as all of the Oddbods. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. And then we also have these two cutters. That's a bunny and an alligator we're gonna use. So why don't we go ahead and play with them. So first, I got these little pieces of Play-Doh that we're gonna set out like this. And then look, we're gonna put all of our Oddbods and stand them up back here so they can watch while we play in the Play-Doh. Give a little more room here. All right, so we have Fuse and Slick and Bubbles and Z and Pogo and Jeff and Newt. We have everyone here. So let's go ahead and have some Play-Doh. This is red like Fuse. So we're gonna just push it down right here and roll it out. There we go, that's all nice and thin. So now let's start off with an alligator. We're gonna push it down in there, then lift it up. Oh no, you can't really see his little indent. So let's put him back in there and push down a little. Then push it out with his tail. And look, there's our little alligator. That's cute. So first we got a red alligator for Fuse. Now let's do orange like Slick. We're gonna roll this out a little thicker. Like that. Then we're gonna do a bunny rabbit. Okay, look at that one. Look how good our buddy turned out. If we put it back inside, we can add a little more. There we go. Now look, you can see its belly. Cute, we got an orange rabbit for Slick. Okay, let's do our next color. Our next color is yellow. So let's roll this up and mush it down a little bit, and then we're gonna roll it out. Okay, I think that's good. So let's do an alligator. Let's push it back in again so we can do all the lines. There we go. Look at his cute belly and teeth. There's a yellow alligator for you, Bubbles. Okay, let's do the next color. Next color is green. So we're gonna roll out the green Play-Doh. Then we're gonna do the bunny rabbit again. Look how good that one turned out. We don't even need to put it back in. Cute little green bunny rabbit. So let's put the green bunny rabbit up here by Z. Z looks so sleepy. Okay, the next color is blue. So let's mush up our blue. And roll it out. There we go. And it's the alligator's turn again. Look how good that one turned out too. Good alligator, let's give you to Pogo. We're getting so many cute shapes. Okay, now let's do purple, like Jeff. Purple's really soft. So let's do a bunny. There's our cute purple bunny rabbit, and look, it even has a carrot. Let's give it to Jeff. Okay, one color left, and it's pink. This one's pink for Newt. So we're gonna roll it out all nice. And then we're gonna do the alligator one more time. There we go. There's our little alligator. Now look, all of them got some cute friends. So now let's make just a couple more. So we're gonna get our colors and we're gonna roll them out. There. Now let's do it with purple. There's purple. Now let's do blue. We gotta roll all of these out. There we go, there's blue. Now let's do green. Oops, the green broke in half. Oh, green keeps breaking. We'll just have to do pieces of green, I guess. This green sure loves to break. Oh my goodness, look how much it breaks. Well, that's good enough. Okay, after green is yellow. So let's roll out the yellow Play-Doh. There we go. Now orange. We're so close. There we go. Now we only have one more color, and that's red. So let's roll out the red Play-Doh. We're almost done. Look at that. Nice. So we're gonna mush them all together. Then get our rolling pin and roll it out all smooth. Now look, we're gonna get one of our rabbits. And pull it out. Have to get him out. Oh, where'd he go? Oh man, let's try that again. There we go, look! We made a rainbow rabbit! Now let's try an alligator. And look, we also made a little alligator. That was fun making all of these with our friends. Oops. There we go. Say bye, Oddbods.